Hello
Hello,
and welcome to Shashinam Yog. I am Prashant.
I am Alka.
We are qualified and certified yoga trainers from Pune University, and we are having around 10 years of experience teaching yoga.
People were demanding for weight loss program, belly fat loss program and all. But nowadays priorities are getting changed. Now they are demanding for post COVID program. Now they are realizing that not only physical appearance, internal health is also important.
Now, when we'll talk about this health, now there are three major aspects. So, first aspect is physical health. Now, what is physical health? So, internally अपने organ जो function करते हैं, those should function effectively and efficiently. अपनी immunity अच्छी होनी चाहिए. So, that can be acquired. So, ये जो फिजिकल फिटनेस जो है हम लोग योगाफना से पाते हैं, जो हमारे पूर्वजों ने एनिशिएंट लोगों ने हमको दी हुई बहुत बड़ी देनगी है.
Second important aspect is mental health, because nowadays pandemic situation is going to be worst day by day. Initially we were coming with negative news from social media news channels, but nowadays that negative bad news are coming from our near and dear neighborhood, family, friends, family members, and that's why it is very important to increase our patience to hear them and also to keep our own mental balance. And yes, it can be achieved with the help of meditation sessions, with the help of certain breathing sessions and pranayams.
Now third aspect is spiritual health. हमारा इंडियन कल्चर ऐसा है कि वी आर वेरी स्पिरिचुअल. सो ये स्पिरिचुअलिटी जो है हमारा सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाती है और पॉजिटिविटी हमारी इन्हेंस हो जाती है. सो दिस कैन बी एक्वायर्ड थ्रू चैंटिंग मंत्रास, then prayers and onkar jobs.
Apart from this aspects which are helpful for us to boost up our immunity, internal health, mental health and spiritual health, again important is our physical fitness and physical appearance, and that can be easily achieved with the help of certain exercises, instead of sun salutations, sushma vyayam and all.
सो ये स्पेशल प्रोग्राम जो है हमने डिज़ाइन किया है, इसमें हमने बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट इंक्लूड किया है. यहाँ पे मुद्राएज है, देन बंधाज है, देन सन सैल्यूटेशन का बहुत ही साइंटिफिक वे से हम लोग पढ़ाते हैं. एंड इज़ वेरी स्टेप बाय स्टेप. इनिशियली हम लोग बहुत ही शुरुआत बिगिनिंग्स जो करते हैं बहुत ही पहले स्टेप से करते हैं, एंड आफ्टर 8 weeks यू आर वेरी वेरी एक्सपर्ट टू गेन योर हेल्थ.
So considering all these aspects, we have designed a special program for post-COVID patient that is most beneficial for them to achieve their original physical strength and for fast recovery. And of course, it is very very useful for all age people who want to protect themselves from COVID-19. So it is very very useful and important program for all of us.
सो यह स्पेशल प्रोग्राम हम लोग लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं आने वाली 26 तारीख को ऑन जूम प्लेटफॉर्म एंड विथ वेरी वेरी अफोर्डेबल प्राइस, बिकॉज हम लोग चाहते हैं कि इसका बेनिफिट्स ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों ने लेना चाहिए. सो फॉर मोर डिटेल्स यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट ऑन गिवन नंबर्स.